Hi everyone, Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater, and guess what? Summer is officially over and the fall is officially here. On September 19th, we had Bimtoberfest 2021. It's one of our car shows that we host every year. So I hope you were able to come, but if not, don't worry about it. We're going to be having another one September of 2022. I just wanted to offer everyone the complimentary Bimtoberfest maintenance clinic that we're offering to everybody. We will do a multi-point inspection that includes tires, battery and brakes, wipers, belts and hoses, and we're going to top off all your fluids. And the best part about this is we're going to do pick up and drop off service if you are within 20 miles radius of the dealership. So why don't you call 908-287-1800 to schedule your appointment today. But if you don't want to call us, don't worry about it. Click the link below to schedule your appointment online. Don't forget to like and subscribe.